native speakers. Many English learners always use "how are you?" and "I'm fine" in every conversation. But today, these expressions can sound repetitive, too basic, and sometimes unnatural in real conversations. Native speakers usually use many different expressions in daily life. So in this lesson, you will learn modern, natural, and confident alternatives to "how are you?" and "I'm fine." You will listen, repeat, and practice each sentence 3 times using the shadowing method. This practice will help you improve your pronunciation, speaking confidence, and natural English fluency. Do not worry about mistakes. Just relax, speak loudly, and enjoy the practice. First of all, you listen to all the 21 native speaker alternatives to "how are you?" and "I'm fine" and be familiar with new alternatives. 1. How's it going? 2. How are things? 3. How have you been? 4. What's up? 5. What's new? 6. How's life? 7. How are you doing? 8. How's your day going? 9. How do you feel today? 10. Are you doing okay? 11. Everything good? 12. You all right? 13. How's everything? 14. What's going on? 15. How have things been? 16. How's work going? 17. How's school going? 18. What have you been up to? 19. Is everything okay? 20. How are things going for you? 21. How's your week going? 21 native speaker alternatives to "I'm fine." 1. I'm doing great. 2. I'm pretty good. 3. I'm doing well. 4. I'm okay. 5. Not bad. 6. I'm good. 7. I'm fantastic. 8. I'm excellent. 9. I'm feeling good today. 10. I'm very happy today. 11. I'm all right. 12. I'm doing better now. 13. Everything is going well. 14. I'm enjoying my day. 15. I'm full of energy today. 16. I'm feeling wonderful. 17. Can't complain. 18. I'm hanging in there. 19. I'm doing awesome. 20. Life's good. 21. So far so good. Ready, everyone? Let's start speaking. Pay attention to pronunciation, rhythm, and expression. How's it going? Listen carefully. How's it going? Great. Repeat again. How's it going? One more time confidently. How's it going? Excellent job. How are things? Your turn. How are things? Very good. Say it again. How are things? Last time clearly. How are things? Fantastic speaking. How have you been? Listen and repeat. How have you been? Nice pronunciation. Again please. How have you been? One more confident try. How have you been? Wonderful work. What's up? Repeat after me. What's up? Good. Again naturally. What's up? One last time. What's up? Perfect. What's new? Listen first. What's new? Very nice. Repeat again. What's new? One more smooth repetition. What's new? Excellent. How's life? Your turn now. How's life? Good speaking. Again please. How's life? One more time confidently. How's life? Amazing work. How are you doing? Listen carefully. How are you doing? Great pronunciation. Again slowly. How are you doing? Last repetition. How are you doing? Fantastic. How's your day going? Repeat after me. How's your day going? Very good. Again with confidence. How's your day going? One more time. How's your day going? Excellent speaking. How do you feel today? Listen and copy. How do you feel today? Good job. Repeat again. How do you feel today? One final try. How do you feel today? Wonderful. Are you doing okay? Your turn. Are you doing okay? Very nice. Again naturally. Are you doing okay? One more clear repetition. Are you doing okay? Outstanding. Everything good. Listen carefully. Everything good. Repeat again, everything good. Last confident repetition, everything good. Excellent work. You all right? Repeat after me, you all right? Great speaking, again please, you all right? One more smooth try, you all right? Perfect pronunciation. How's everything? Listen and repeat, how's everything? Nice again clearly, how's everything? One final repetition, how's everything? Amazing job. What's going on? Your turn now, what's going on? Good pronunciation, again please, what's going on? One more confident try, what's going on? Fantastic speaking. How have things been? Listen first, how have things been? Very good, repeat again, how have things been? One last time, how have things been? Excellent. How's work going? Repeat after me, how's work going? Great again naturally, how's work going? One more repetition, how's work going? Wonderful speaking. How's school going? Listen carefully, how's school going? Good work, repeat again, how's school going? One more confident try, how's school going? Perfect. What have you been up to? Your turn, what have you been up to? Very nice, again slowly, what have you been up to? One final repetition, what have you been up to? Excellent pronunciation. Is everything okay? Listen and repeat, is everything okay? Good speaking, again please, is everything okay? One more time confidently, is everything okay? Amazing work. How are things going for you? Repeat after me, how are things going for you? Wonderful, again naturally, how are things going for you? One last repetition, how are things going for you? Outstanding job. How's your week going? Listen carefully, how's your week going? Great pronunciation, repeat again, how's your week going? One more smooth repetition, how's your week going? Fantastic speaking. I'm doing great. Listen and repeat, I'm doing great. Excellent again confidently, I'm doing great. One more time, I'm doing great. Wonderful work. I'm pretty good. Your turn, I'm pretty good. Very good, repeat again, I'm pretty good. Last repetition, I'm pretty good. Fantastic. I'm doing well. Listen carefully, I'm doing well. Again naturally, I'm doing well. One more confident try, I'm doing well. Excellent speaking. I'm okay. Repeat after me, I'm okay. Good again clearly, I'm okay. One last time, I'm okay. Perfect. Not bad. Listen and repeat, not bad. Nice pronunciation. Again please, not bad. One more smooth repetition, not bad. Amazing work. I'm good. Your turn now, I'm good. Great speaking, again naturally, I'm good. One final repetition, I'm good. Excellent job. I'm fantastic. Listen carefully, I'm fantastic. Repeat again confidently, I'm fantastic. One more powerful try, I'm fantastic. Outstanding. I'm excellent. Repeat after me, I'm excellent. Very nice, again please, I'm excellent. One more time clearly, I'm excellent. Wonderful pronunciation. I'm feeling good today. Listen and copy, I'm feeling good today. Good work, again naturally, I'm feeling good today. One final repetition, I'm feeling good today. Fantastic speaking. I'm very happy today. Your turn, I'm very happy today. Excellent, repeat again, I'm very happy today. One more confident try, I'm very happy today. Amazing pronunciation. I'm all right. Listen carefully, I'm all right. Again smoothly, I'm all right. One more repetition, I'm all right. Perfect work. I'm doing better now. Repeat after me, I'm doing better now. Great speaking, again please, I'm doing better now. One final try. I'm doing better now. Excellent. Everything is going well. Listen and repeat. Everything is going well. Very good. Again naturally. Everything is going well. One more confident repetition. Everything is going well. Wonderful job. I'm enjoying my day. Your turn now. I'm enjoying my day. Nice pronunciation. Again clearly. I'm enjoying my day. One more time. I'm enjoying my day. Outstanding speaking. I'm full of energy today. Listen first. I'm full of energy today. Repeat again confidently. I'm full of energy today. One last repetition. I'm full of energy today. Fantastic work. I'm feeling wonderful. Repeat after me. I'm feeling wonderful. Great job. Again naturally. I'm feeling wonderful. One more smooth try. I'm feeling wonderful. Perfect pronunciation. Can't complain. Listen carefully. Can't complain. Again please. Can't complain. One final confident repetition. Can't complain. Excellent speaking. I'm hanging in there. Your turn. I'm hanging in there. Very nice. Again slowly. I'm hanging in there. One more repetition. I'm hanging in there. Amazing job. I'm doing awesome. Listen and repeat. I'm doing awesome. Good pronunciation. Again naturally. I'm doing awesome. One last time confidently. I'm doing awesome. Fantastic. Life's good. Repeat after me. Life's good. Excellent. Again clearly. Life's good. One more smooth repetition. Life's good. Wonderful speaking. So far so good. Listen carefully. So far so good. Repeat again confidently. So far so good. One final repetition. So far so good. Outstanding work. Let's begin. 1. How's it going? You can say, I'm doing great. 2. How are things? You could say, I'm pretty good. 3. How have you been? You may say, I'm doing well. 4. What's up? You can reply, I'm okay. 5. What's new? You could answer, not bad. 6. How's life? You may reply, I'm good. 7. How are you doing? You can say, I'm fantastic. 8. How's your day going? You could say, I'm excellent. 9. How do you feel today? You may answer, I'm feeling good today. 10. Are you doing okay? You can reply, I'm very happy today. 11. Everything good? You could say, I'm all right. 12. You all right? You may answer, I'm doing better now. 13. How's everything? You can say, everything is going well. 14. What's going on? You could reply, I'm enjoying my day. 15. How have things been? You may say, I'm full of energy today. 16. How's work going? You can answer, I'm feeling wonderful. 17. How's school going? You could reply, can't complain. 18. What have you been up to? You may answer, I'm hanging in there. 19. Is everything okay? You can say, I'm doing awesome. 20. How are things going for you? You could answer, life's good. 21. How's your week going? You may reply, so far so good. Excellent work everyone. You practiced real English expressions used by native speakers in daily conversations. Now, instead of always saying, how are you, and I'm fine, you have many more natural and confident expressions to use. Remember, fluent English is not about using difficult words. It is about sounding natural, clear, and confident. Practice these expressions every day. Repeat them aloud, and try to use them in real conversations. The more you practice shadowing, the more fluent and confident your English will become. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English every single day. Thank you so much for practicing with me. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye and take care.